In this topic, we will cover the string methods used in Python. String operators are used to manipulate the strings. Some of the string operators used in Python are concatenation operator, repetition operator, slice operator, range slice, membership operator, and format operator. Concatenation operator plus, it is used to concatenate values on either side of the operator. For example, A equals learn cards, B equals welcomes you, A plus B equals learn cards welcomes you. Repetition operator. It is used to add or concatenate a string multiple times and create a new string. A equals learn cards, A into 2 equals learn cards, learn cards. Slice operator. It is used to find the character from the given index. A equals learn cards, A1 equals E, where index starts from 0. Range slice. It is used to find the character from the given range. Example, A equals learn cards, A1 colon 4 equals to EAR. Membership operator in. This operator returns true if a character exists in a given string. A equals learn cards. T in A will return 1 since T exists in the given string learn cards. Membership operator not in. This operator returns true if a character does not exist in a given string. For example, A equals learn cards. P not in A will return true since P does not exist in the string learn cards. Format operator. This operator is used to perform string formatting. Python uses C-style string formatting to create new formatted strings. The modulus operator is used to format a set of variables enclosed in a tuple together with a format string, which contains normal text together with argument specifiers, special symbols like modulus S and modulus D. In this example, name equals John. Print hello modulus S, and we specify the variable name with a modulus sign. This results in hello John. String methods. Python provides several built-in methods to perform operations on strings. Some of these methods are count, which is used to count how many times a substring occurs in a string. Capitalize, used to capitalize the first character. Len, used to find the length of an object. Find, used to find the index of first occurrence of substring within a string. Index, used to return the index of a substring. Is alpha, used to check if all the characters are alphabets. Is lower, used to check if all the alphabets in a string are lowercase. Split, used to split the string from the left. rsplit, used to split the string from the right. Max, used to return the largest element. There are many more other built-in methods like center, casefold, ends with, encode, is decimal, is digit, is identifier, any, all, and many more. String indexing. It is a process of determining if a string, say str, occurs in a string. The index method returns the index of a substring inside the string if found. If the substring is not found, it raises an exception. The index method takes 3 parameters: sub, which is the substring to be searched in the string; start and end, which is optional. Start is the starting index of the string, which is 0 by default. End is the ending index of the string. Example, str1 equals learn cards is a learning company. str2 equals company. Print str1.index str2, the output should be 25, which is the index of the star2 inside str1.